Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm David Parker. What you are about to see requires a brief explanation, and that you shall have. It is a preview of dances for the upcoming production of Dylan Dog, a new dance opera which I will be choreographing at the Arena di Verona Opera Company in Verona, Italy. Dylan Dog is the name of an Italian comic book hero in the American hard-boiled tradition, and he will be played this evening and in Verona by Jeffrey Kazin. The music for this opera has not been recorded yet, so I have chosen other music I like to work with in the meantime. Tonight, you will be seeing dances done to songs that do not necessarily have anything to do with Dylan Dog the opera, except when they do. We will premiere this hour-long event in November with a cast of 40 in Verona. Do come. And now, here at the nexus of the downtown dance and performance worlds, it is my pleasure to introduce to you Dylan Dog and his two androgynous malls.
Milkman! Hey, Milkman! Milkman, keep those bottles quiet. Can't use that jive on my milk diet. Oh, Milkman, keep those bottles quiet. Been jumping on the swing shift all night. Been turning out my quota all right. Now my feet right down to the sole. You love my milk, come right this now. So Milkman, keep those bottles quiet. Milkman, stop that Grady riot.
And come right in.
Cut out if you can't lullaby it. Oh, Milkman, keep those bottles quiet. Been knocking out a fat tank all day. Been working on a bomber. Okay, boy, you blast my wig with those flames. And I've got to catch my 40 wings. Milkman, keep those bottles quiet. Now the noise of the river, I don't mind it, 'cause the man with the whiskers has a lot behind it. But I can't keep punching with that victory glue when you're making me punchy with that bottle move. I wanna give my all if I'm gonna give it, but I gotta get my shot if I'm gonna rip it. So when you come down out bud with that milk arrive, 'cause the sun's patriotic, it's a sabotage.
Oh, milkman, milkman, links up, keep quiet. Whoa, whoa, but trust TD. Ain't on no reggae diet. We rarely touch that stuff.
Oh, Milkman.
Keep the back black bottles quiet. Why say, hey, swing step, jumping on that. Whoa, 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 solid jive, right? Except we're tired from copping that swing. We got another one big and great. Milkman, keep those bottles quiet. Quiet!
Dylan's love interest in this show is named Morgana. Dylan has a different girlfriend in each episode, and it is a convention of the series that these women are controlled by the evil sorcerer Exoberus, who is Dylan's arch enemy. I'm breathless even talking about it. Morgana has submitted to the control of Zabaras because she has been unlucky in love. You see, her heart has been broken. And now, Ms. Catherine Tufano, coming at you in sections and hoisting her charm on its own petard, is Morgana.
By mere please let me explain. By mere means that you're grand. I've tried to explain. I mere wished to shame. So please tell me that you I could say you're the top, you're the apex, you're the zenith, you're colossal, you're terrific, you're delightful. I could say you're te amo, ich liebe dich, je vous aime, but whatever I say, it all means the same. So with your kind permission, I will go on with my song. For now I know that you won't get me wrong. By me, Mr. Shane, please let me explain. By me, Mr. Shane means that you're grand. I mean you're grandest. By me, Mr. Shane, again I'll explain. It means you're the fairest in the land. Ride up, say tippy, tippy, minny, minny, tippy, tippy, hidey, holy. Say boom, say anything to tell you where the hell you are, my lucky star. Don't be a thing if you ain't got that swing. So let the raptors ring and stand right up and sing. By me,
Well, as you might have expected, Dylan and Morgana fall in love, when quite suddenly they find themselves pursued by seemingly disembodied hands. The puzzle is, who or what is causing this corporeal schizophrenia? In our next episode, Morgana answers the question that had lingered on Dylan's lips. Why is she unlucky in love?
I wanna be loved by you, just you, and nobody else but you. I wanna be loved by you, alone. I wanna be kissed by you, just you, and nobody else but you. Oh, I wanna be kissed by you, alone. I couldn't aspire to anything higher than feel a desire to make you my own. I wanna be loved by you, just you, and nobody else but you. Oh, I wanna be loved by you alone. I couldn't aspire to anything higher than feel a desire to make you my own. I wanna be loved by you, just you, and nobody else but you. I wanna be loved by you.
Dylan finally realizes the truth about Morgana, that she is but a tool of Zabaras. And in our last episode, he wrestles with ambivalence and does what he has to do.
I'll go my way by myself, like walking under a cloud. I'll go my way by myself, all alone in a crowd. I'll try to apply myself and teach my heart how to sing. I'll go my way by myself, like